Mm, mm, mm. This song is dedicated to Boss Ninja, Celine Cruzito, Yamashita Cruz. Mahal kita, ang mahal ko Boss Ninja, mahal kita. Pagpasensyahan mo, ako'y si Boss Kila. Ako na ang Boss Kila mo. Alam ko buhay niya, pero sa totoo ako'y si narcissistic one na I'm very sorry babe, Ali the rich one, maghintay ka. Wala kang pusi kasi ang kulit mo daw Sabi na't magpalit na maging KHI 28 na. Pag ngayon lahat ay naging kasama ko, lahat ng babae maging masasaya to. Sa pamamagitan ng pagiging magaling ang mga lalaki ko. Lalaki mo, sinong nagsabi nun? Parang may naramdaman akong masama na naman Si Beng Beng May, mahal ko yan Ilang napaka-cute at napaka-sweet Beng Beng May, mahal na mahal kita. Ang baby kong si Beng Beng May Baby ko, mahal kita Beng Beng May, mahal na mahal kita. St. Morgan, St. Morgan, St. Morgan, I love you so much What have you been doing What body do you have That young girl that I fucked last night You know it's me. What is my face Now you know they cheat me, but I don't care Because every day I'm happy when I sleep, and then when I wake up I have to work this shit and it's gonna be okay. It's gonna be okay na. Zeus lost his crown, he doesn't know what to do It's better when it's the Dragon Infanto Kisama me, aka Dragon Infanto Kizama. That one the me before Rich more with long name Richie Krakata, Bong Langkra, Chili Malakra, Mor Shiragada, Zaratustra, Dragon Infanto Kizama, Chang Banglaha, Tratatatata, aka Dragon Shaky, Krokopakara, Zwang Krang Zu, Krang Lang La, Brakaramba, Krang Shrara, Zwang Zu, Ki Broko Tangkra. We are from Mongolia, we are from Antarctica, we don't hate China they change Pinay is sleeper, give me I love all Mongolians, of course I love them It's just that the Haitians makes me go crazy They know how to get me seduced Every time I see a Haitian everywhere, oh no, I mean, oh yeah, they make me crazy because I know how they are. They are very nice They are very humble, and then when you fuck them, they are stupid and crazy That's how I like them I want to make them horse in bed It's been a long time, but you know, in magical way I fuck them all, and then when I'm a dragon out there, I'm the first and the last one that do the sessions That's what I call it, because I'm trying to be not bad And then I'm gonna say na Celine Boss Ninja is the project I know it's you Mahal na mahal kita. Celine Boss Ninja, mahal kita. Celine May Mengay, kilala mo ba sila sarili? Sino ka? Celine May Mengay, malaya ka na. At MHAE May, walang nangyari na. Ang nadoon ay Richmore na peking, ang gano'n na mukha Kahawa na, wala na sila. Wala ng bahay na katulad ng akin na. Akin na lahat ng gusto ko Natapos ang kanta. Maraming salamat sa inyo Anyway, sa mga pambalawi, it is 444, it's on.